So we're at a new construction job, and I'm going to show you what the hub and tack is and how we're able to figure out the finished floor elevation from the plans in the job site. So the survey company was out here earlier today, and right now showing you the building pad has been built. So it's about a foot higher than the existing land that's here. And these stakes giving us the end parts of the structure, and that gives us the exterior so they can start laying it out. And now the center part, where we have put a stake in for us, and what they're going to do here is they're going to show us what the finished floor elevation is for the home. So on our plans, it shows 8.5. So that is what is staked here, and they've shot that from a pin in the road to give it to the mason. So when they come out and they start digging the footers, they know, okay, this is where we're going to have to end up with our stem wall, and then we're going to actually build the stem wall and our finished floor slab. So that, like the inside of your home, your finished floor slab will be up to this line. So that's how high this home is going to be built from the existing land that's out here. So we got a foot, and then you can see this is probably about another 2.5 feet to this stage right there. And this is how we get our finished floor height in a new home build in Cape Coral, Florida.